Yung Norway, ang ginawa nila, when they discover, they were just a fishing fishing
Yan yung
country.
primary industry nila noon.
Fishing, tapos shipping, parang ganun.
Yan.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then, nung nalaman nila na meron silang langis, there was this politician or one of their leaders who suggested that they create a sovereign fund for the...
Ito yung source ng sovereign wealth fund
Ang
nila.
ganda ng,
Yes.
Ayun,
Ngayon.
ganyan,
ganda ng Norway experience.
Yung sovereign
laki
wealth
na,
fund nila is in the trillions already.
Yeah.
So, kasi hindi nila ginagalaw yung principal. Ang ginagalaw lang nila is yung earnings.
Yeah. That they also used for their renewable energy projects. Yes.
And sana, I mean, what I heard is that we have another find in Alegria.
Yes.
And then, meron tayong Laguasan Marsh.
Okay.
Yeah. If we use those resources para sa, for a sovereign wealth fund, and we use it, talagang through a law, i-secure natin yan, and gamitin lang natin yung income, baka hindi na natin kailangan umutang.